Shipbuilding along 12 Mile Creek was a critical industry to supporting shipping between Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. And so a shipyard was established there, first by Russell Armington in 1828, and in 1837, on his passing, a Maltese immigrant by the name of Lewis Shickluna bought the property along 12 Mile Creek and opened his business for the both building and repair of sail and steamships. The Shickluna Shipyard was in fact a massive industrial operation, one of the largest certainly here in Ontario. It was producing vessels that ranged in length from between 140 feet up to almost 200 feet that would have been carrying agriculture, timber, high volume, low value bulk materials from the upper lakes through the lower lakes and on to places like Europe. The property was abandoned in 1901. Around the 1930s, the Shickluna family sold the property to the city of St. Catharines. So our work at the shipyard is currently investigating 3 operation areas. The first operation area are the workers' cottages, dwellings that were built by Shickluna to support the skilled and unskilled laborers working at the shipyard. So we're very excited about finding foundations, building structures that relate to the occupants that lived there. Our second operation area is testing an area which will redefine where the historic basin lies, but also provide us a look at the nature of shipbuilding as a specialized occupation and within the industrial context. Our third operation area is the boathouse, a structure relating to the construction of the small boats that would have been fitted to the larger canal ships that transited the Welland Canal. We have an opportunity to document an actual canal ship that lies within the ship basin underneath the Burgoyne Bridge.